What are you pointing at? Fuse box or something?
No, I'm covering it up. We're Verso men now. Yo, welcome back to the world's greatest YouTube channel in the world. Yeah, the world's greatest in the world. Yeah, anyway. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to a house that's probably about 15 years old maybe. And we're changing every light fitting throughout the house. Including downlights in the bathroom, some fancy dancy kids lights in the bedrooms, some wall lights. We're just changing every light fitting to some new ones. But I can guarantee that they'll be rough. And if they are, we'll show you. And if they're not, I'll also show you. So yeah, let's just head over there. Get to subscribe anyway if you don't watch the channel and you're new around here. And if you're not new around here and you've still not subscribed, what you're doing, get it done. Hit the like button, notifications and all that, whatever. I don't know what to say. I'm not a seasoned YouTube veteran. But yeah, let's go. Peace. So we made a bit of a rookie mistake, me and Ryan. The owner's left us the key for the house so we can lock up on our way. Because obviously we don't live in here at the moment, it's just empty. But yeah, waved them goodbye, thank you for the key and all that, I'll see you later. Fuse board is in the garage which is locked. So now we can't turn anything off to start changing lights. We've got some fancy lights to show you, some kids ones, have a look at this. That's going up there. So, pretty sure it just goes flat against the ceiling rather than hang down. Not sure which way to put it. Put it that way or that way, I don't know. Where'd you put its head? I've never put a B on the ceiling before. We've got another. Go in there, which is Hello Kitty, I think. I think that's the same deal, yeah. Just screw it up. Flush against the ceiling. That's going up there. Floorboards. I thought these houses were newer, but they look quite new, like you can see. But it's not chipboard floors, so maybe not as new as I first thought. It's old coloured wiring. Artex ceilings as well. Or whatever you call that stuff. And then in the hallway, got one of those sky tunnels, or whatever you call them, like a skylight, but it's like a tunnel in it that goes right up. So we're going to be opening that up, clean it because it's manky. And there is actually a bulb inside it for at night time. Obviously when there's no daylight. This room's not getting touched. Boom. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do now. Jump up and open that up, see what bulb it is, what type of cap it is. I'd assume, because I've done one before, that it's going to be screw bulb, Edison screw, ES27 or whatever, 14, I don't know, 27. There you go, that's open. It's like a big mirrored tube. There's the cover. Pretty manky. And like I said, the bulb, screw in. We'll change it because it's dead dim. Put a nice big bright LED one in. Biohazard. I think that'll do. So I'm gonna put it back up. Hello. Some dust stuck inside there that you can't get out. It's like it's in the middle. What to do with that? Like, it don't come out, it just flaps around. But you can't open this. Oh. What is that? It's not a B. pack of dust. Little collection of dust that got in there that won't come out. Jeez, doesn't open. What I might do is I might just drill a hole in this side of it. I know, because then it'll fill up even easier, won't it? 20mm hole. No. Thinking of a rubber grommet, but you'll see it. Like a blind grommet. There's no way of getting that out. I'll drill a tiny hole in the side and just shake it out. I'll speak to the customer first. Tell you what, nice and solid like that from Dunelm. I'll give them that one. That's pretty good. The connections were pretty decent in there. The light's nice and solid, and it also comes with this. Reminds me of my wage packet when I had a paper round. That's what I used to get it in. Just had some pound coins in that. Just thought I'd point out that that wasn't the finished light. It did have them to go on there. But yeah. Got the same one to go there again. Quite expensive actually, because the receipt's in that box. Very surprisingly expensive. So, explains why the quality's so good. And my camera quality isn't, but yeah, there you go. That's that one done. No bulbs included, but 3 downlights to change for new ones, I don't know. I've not looked at these yet. Customer bought them. IP65 shower light. 65mm, hopefully. That looks about 65mm. Chrome, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this is the extension, this part of the house. So, and this is obviously it's in new. This was done in 2008. Guarantee the builder done these, and these connections are going to be absolutely dreadful. Hey, what do you think, eh? Let's take one down. Let's have a look. Come on. Ah, yes, just as I expected. Single insulation on show. Rusty old lights. But I will have egg on my face and say it's not actually as bad as I thought it was. I was expecting it to be. Don't get me wrong, I won't ever do that. Never do that. But it's not the worst I've seen. I was expecting no earth continuity. Normally they're just chopped off, but they have actually connected them through. So yeah, I'll give them 2 points for that something. But yeah, let's get these changed. Oh, look at that. Caught you working.
Why are you recording me? What are you pointing at? Fuse boxes?
No, I'm covering it up. We're versatile men now. Don't mind expert electrical still, but I don't know how to do all that fancy editing where it blurs it out, so I'll just do this. Tell you what, not actually that bad, you know. Better do them nice and easy. Straight in and out. That'll make brand dear. Eco Bright. Anyone ever heard of them? Anyway, that's got to look better than that. Better quality as well, to be fair. And that's JCC. Anyway. For God's sake. So this Bumblebee one, obviously, it's got a CE mark on it, but I don't know if that's true, because it's not got an earth anywhere on it, and it's all metal. It's a full metal body, and it's got just that little tiny hole there, which is obviously not sufficient to get all them in, as well as it not having no grommet or anything like that. So I'm going to have to try and do I'm going to try and drill this out to 20mm and put a grommet in there myself. Just try and protect it a little bit. I don't know, but I think what they expect you to do is do that and do the connections above, if you know what I mean. So it's outside, but there's nowhere, we can't do that obviously. Not in this country anyway. We don't have anything in the ceiling. Maybe some countries have got like a box in the ceiling, like a socket box or something maybe. You tell me, because we're gonna have all these connections in here. Quite likely you're gonna see a little shadow through that. But I do think this light's gonna look pretty sick. It's got like its wings light up and everything. So yeah, looking forward to seeing this little. There's my grommet. I have to drill it slightly off from that hole, just because obviously it's too close to this. I also noticed that the outgoing side says line and neutral, and the incoming side is positive and negative. So that goes to show you what great quality this is. Right, there you go. I asked them which way they wanted it facing. They wanted the head over there. I'm guessing bed's going to be there, and it'll be like a kid looking up at that. Show you what I had to do then. So, as you can tell, I've tried to avoid covering any of the LEDs to try and not cast any shadows. Got our permanent lives. Got our grommet first, obviously. Permanent lives. Neutrals, and then I've put a ferrule on the fly lead for that. Switch wire, and then again, you just see the tip of the ferrule. Ferruled it up. So I can use a push connection. Earths are all in. And I've just self-tapped a crimp and a fly lead onto the case because it's metal and there's not much else I can do with that. So yeah, at least I'll give it half a chance. Who's looking forward to the big switch on? Buzz. Let's get into the last one. Big Daddy. Sellotape. Brown packing tape for earth sleeving. Better than nothing. Boom. Only gone and broke it. Damn. 130 quid. Down the Swanee. Yeah, but I think they'll be buzzing with that. That's sorted. That. Oh, that one's on. Hello, Kitty. Don't think I've shown you this one yet, have I? Right then, so what happened with that? Any of you eagle eyes? It broke. See it broken? There, it cracked there. Anyone eagle-eyed will have noticed what I did wrong there, because I had it up in one piece perfectly fine. I lost the switch wire there, don't know how. I blame the camera. Yeah, that's what I'm going with. Because of the recording and getting up and down, I lost my switch wire. So I had to take this cover back out. Snapped it. It's all Ryan's fault. But other than that, we're all done everywhere else. They've got no bulbs in that, they didn't come with any bulbs. That's them downlights for the bathroom. Done. Not too bad. So what I will say is, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, as always. Peace and love. See you on the next one. Peace.